in a giant refrigerator.
Diced pork.
Huh? Wow. Yeah, for restaurants, so
Yeah.
less time for them. Over there.
That's a lot better price.
$2.79. Yeah. This one is $2.89. This one is $2.25. See, same as the one, but I think this has more meat.
Yeah.